Want to create tables with rounded corners like these? You'll be shocked at how easy it is. Remember, tables in InDesign have to be contained within text frames. Text frames, if we select the black arrow, click on the frame, go to Object, Corner Options, turn on Preview, and set a corner. Yep, I heard that forehead smack. That's how easy it is. Of course, there are a couple of limitations. The table gets pushed in from the alignment edge, the left side here, because of the rounding. That can cause the table lines to not reach the edges. That might not be a problem, but if it is, here's a different method of creating a table with rounded corners. Step 1. Create your table in a text frame without any other content. 2. Switch to the black arrow selection tool and select the text frame containing the table. Step 3. Copy the text frame, the whole frame. Step 4. Create a new rectangle. Then go to Object, Corner Options. Set your corner options on that rectangle. Click OK, and then choose Edit, Paste Into. The table text frame will then be pasted inside the rounded corner rectangle. The text frame containing the table is now within the outer frame, making that outer frame a clipping mask. You may need to adjust the outer frame clipping mask, but the table will take on any shape you give that mask. You can even paste or anchor the clipping mask frame containing the text frame containing the table into another text frame to make it part of a story. And if any kind of rectangle is too old school for you, you can paste the table's text frame inside an elliptical frame, a circle, a polygon frame, or whatever shape you can draw as a closed path inside InDesign.